Hello guys, there we have a ZTE Blade A71 and today I will show you how you can make your phone louder. So, suddenly we don't have any options in the settings, like an equalizer or something like that. So we have to start from the download a volume speaker booster app. To do it, just open the Google Play Store and look for volume booster. There is a lot of apps. I will choose that one. So we have to open it now, click no thank you, and close the window. Now click OK, and how you can see by this little slider, you can increase and decrease the volume speaker booster. If you want to stop it, just click here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or comment, remember to visit our channel, and goodbye.